Well, this is basically the reason why you guys don't see a lot of us enjoying our cars and driving around, because we're always working on something. But Dad's out in his badger bug tonight, so I figured we'll catch him. It's not every night that you get to catch him doing stuff that's fun. Now Dad has seen me with the camera. He was just having fun, just cruising around. You gotta love the old badger bug. You go, Dad. Ooh. Yeah. Wonder how much gas the old badger bug still got in it. I can't remember the last time we filled it up. Oh. Well, you go check on Jake while Dad continues to have fun with his badger bug. It's okay, Dad. It appears Dad may have missed a gear. And, uh-oh. Okay, fired back up. That one cylinder might be a little unhappy now. Oh, that's a different one. No, that was the same one. Well, another reason why we don't typically go out and have fun. Stuff happens. You got some backfirings going on there, sir.
Loading up my carburetor.
I was kind of wondering how much gas we still had in the old bug.
I had it pretty full.
Okay. It's been a while since we've done anything with it, so. I can smell raw gas. There's raw gas out the back I can kind of smell coming out of the tailpipe. Dang it. Look good though. Oh, the bug could be potentially just a little bit hurt. And go rest up, little badger bug. Made Dad smile, and that's what matters. Now, we'll go see how Jake's doing. Well, I was just checking the pulses back here before you killed it, and it's all 4 cylinders running good. I think it may have just been, you know, from too much sitting around.
Yeah, that is bouncing around in the bowl.
Yeah.
Gas in the bowl.
Yeah. Old Buck's fine. Well, Jake, how goes things on the old Ferdinand?
There's two things we could do. Either need a drill bit so I can ream this and we can measure the drag length, or I need a cutoff wheel so we can cut that stock and get that guy cinched down.
Well,
I showed up at 11, took an hour and a half lunch. Jed said I couldn't knock out a whole steering in a day. There's still daylight, it's still the day.